Good morning, boys and girls. We are here for our morning work. We are on Unit 4, Week 3, Day 1 is the page we're on, and our directions say to edit and write each sentence correctly, and then circle the adjectives. Remember that an adjective is a word that describes another person, place, thing, or animal. So adjectives describe nouns. Number 1 says, the two bunnies' nests are full of babies. You're going to fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Number 2, the 5 monkeys' babies are clean. Same thing, fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat on the line. So pause your video, do number 1 and number 2. We're going to head down to the daily math review. You know what to do there. Number 6, Troy has 21 strawberries in a basket. Rita has 49 strawberries in her basket. How many fewer strawberries does Troy have than Rita? So because it's asking fewer than, that means we're going to find the difference. So we're going to use 49 minus 21 to figure out the difference. So you're going to want to rewrite it over here off to the side. So when I say rewrite it, you're going to want to rewrite it up and down in your blank space so that you can solve it. Pause your video, do number 6. Number 7, circle the best way to measure the blue line. So is it A or is it B? Which way is the right way to measure the blue line? Because really, it's not even the best way. It's which way is the right way to measure it. Number 8, you've done this kind of problem before. Go ahead and solve that. It's going to take you a few steps to do. Number 9, write the correct time 2 ways. So you're going to take this analog clock. You're going to write the digital time. And then in words, blank minutes after blank. And what is the hour it's after? Pause your video and do those. And then we'll start checking from the top. All right, so at the top, the two bunnies' nests are full of babies. So it's the bunnies' nest, except that there's a problem. Bunnies, when it's plural, we change the Y to an I, then we add the ES. And since it's the bunnies' nest, more than one bunny, we put an apostrophe at the end. So the two bunnies' nests are full, not fool, right? Full. Studied words like this last week, of babies, and then babies is the same thing. It ended with a Y, so we rewrite it baby, change the Y to an I, and then we add ES. Then we're going to rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Okay, on to number 2, the 5 monkeys' babies are clean. So the 5 monkeys' babies are clean. So let's see, because it's more than one monkey, we should, let's see, I believe the apostrophe is in the wrong place. The apostrophe should be here at the end. The 5 monkeys' babies, and then babies, same thing, change the Y to an I, add ES. The 5 monkeys' babies are clean. Okay, then we're going to rewrite number 2 nice and neat on the line. All right, we got number 2 looking good. Let's go ahead and do the daily math review. 6 plus 2 is 8. 4 plus 6 is 10, 6 plus 5 is 11, 6 plus 1 is 7, and 6 plus 3 is 9. And then let's go ahead and head down to number 6. Alright, so number 6, Troy has 21 strawberries in a basket. Rita has 49 strawberries in her basket. How many fewer strawberries does Troy have than Rita? So I told you you're going to have to solve it by finding the difference. So 9 minus 1 is going to be 8. 4 tens minus 2 tens is going to be 2. So that means Troy has 28 fewer strawberries than Rita. So we'd have to add 28 strawberries to Rita's, or we'd have to add 28 strawberries to Roy's 21 strawberries to get the number of 49, which is how many Rita has. All right, number 7, circle the correct way to measure the blue line. So remember, when we measure something, we don't line up the object with the ruler, we line up the object with the 0 mark. So the picture that shows that is this. If you look right here, it's lined up with the 0 mark. All right, down to number 8. So first we're supposed to add 81 and 33. And so that's going to give us 114. So we'll write that answer there. Then we've got to add 24 plus 30. So you should be showing all your work on your paper. So if we were face to face, you'd be showing all this work. So 54. And then we got to add together these two numbers, 114 plus 54. So this is going to be 8. It's going to be 6 tens and then 100. So that is 168. Write the correct time 2 ways. This hour is 1. The minutes are o'clock, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 25 minutes after 1. All right, you are all done with your morning work. Make sure you turn it in.